Hi, this video is from interview.com. Welcome to Spring MVC tutorial. The earlier video we saw about model attribute. In this video I'll talk about path variable annotation in Spring MVC. What is path variable annotation? First I'll explain, then I'll show you the code in the demo. Path variable annotation, which indicates that a method parameter should be bound to a URI template variable, supported for request mapping annotated handler methods in servlet environments. For example, you want to write a URL to fetch some hotel from a hotel application. You can say this is your application URL and this is the hotel ID, whereas 18433 is the hotel ID. So now the URL you will use in Spring MVC controller would look like this one. Okay, so in your controller class, the request mapping method will look like this. So this will be your URL and the path variable would look like this. So what Spring does here is, whenever I pass a URL like this from the browser, this 18433 will be copied to this string. Okay, this is the path variable. So from the URL, that ID will be copied to your method param. I want to repeat, from the URL this ID will be copied to your method param. The Spring, what it does from the URL, it copies that particular ID and it copies that particular ID and it will be available in this param, so that you can start using in your controller method. I'll show you in the code. So this is the example, edit hotel page. So I want to edit a hotel. Then in the URL I can see an ID, and this ID will be copied to this integer value by Spring Framework. When you mark this as path variable, it will be copied by the Spring Framework. Path variable, it's from the Spring Framework. Okay, so I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to launch my application. Then so if I click edit here, okay, in the below page you can see an URL, hotel / edit 1.html. that one is the ID. I'm going to move to the other edit. You can see in the below page /hotel /edit and /2.html. so here this is the 2 ID is 2 and here ID is 1. Okay, so I'm going to edit this hotel tags. So I'm going to click on this and I just want to show you how exactly the path variable is copied as a method param. Can you see this? So from the URL, this path variable is copied to the controller method param. So here this is the controller method param and it is copied. This is the usage of path variable in Spring MVC framework. So if you go here, you can see the hotel, and here if you see, we have the ID, and this is the path variable. Hope this video is useful and informative. In the next video I'll talk about session attribute. Thank you and all the best.